Good morning, everybody. It's Corey. It is May 2nd, and I am going up to the barn to help my daughter turn the new baby lambs loose into the pasture. We call that lamb blender. Come on, I'll show you why. Good morning, mamas. These lambs were all born within the last couple weeks. We keep them with mama so they can learn mama and feed. They stay nice and healthy for the first couple weeks, and then they get turned loose into the pasture, which we're going to do today. Here's one of our older ewes. She wasn't feeling real good this year. She says hi. She wasn't feeling real good this year, so we didn't breed her. But as you can see, we had 10 lambs this year. Here's this little guy. What's up, buddy? You want to see the camera? Hi, guys. So as normally happens on this day, the mamas, once you open the gate, the mamas run for the new pasture and leave their babies behind. And the babies are left to have to find mama. So we're getting everybody out.
Let's get ready to rumble!
Where's my mama? Where's my mama? Where's your mama? Go find her. Go find her. Lamb blender. It's always a confusing day. Which babies are mine? Which mama is mine? Lamb blender. Are you my mama? Are you my mama? You're not my mama.